Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. That is Learn Computer Science with Manik Sharma. In this video, I am going to discuss a very interesting and dominating subject, that is blockchain. In simple terms, a blockchain is a decentralized database that is shared among computer network nodes. In other words, blockchain is a shared immutable ledger that facilitates the process of recording transaction and tracking assets in a business network. An asset can be a tangible, like a house, car, cash, or a land, or intangible, like intellectual property, patent, copyright, or branding, etc. Virtually anything of value can be tracked and traded on a blockchain network, reducing risk and cutting costs for all involved. Business run on information, the faster it is received and the more accurate it is, the better. Blockchain is ideal for delivering the information because it provides immediate, shared and completely transparent information stored on an immutable ledger that can be accessed only by permissioned network members. A blockchain network can track orders, payments, accounts, production and much more. There are 4 different types of blockchain: public, private, hybrid, consortium. Let us understand these 4 types of blockchain. Public blockchain are permissionless in nature, allows anyone to join and are completely decentralized in nature. These blockchain allow all nodes of the blockchain to have equal rights to access the blockchain, create new block of data and validate block of data. To date, public blockchains are mainly used for exchanging and mining cryptocurrency. You may have heard of popular public blockchains such as Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, etc. Private blockchain, which may be also referred to as managed blockchain, are permissioned blockchain controlled by a single organization. In a private blockchain, the central authority determines who can be a node. The central authority also does not necessarily grant each node with equal right to perform function, unlike public blockchains. Private blockchains are only partially decentralized because public access to these blockchain is restricted. Some examples of private blockchain are the business-to-business virtual currency exchange network, Ripple and Hyperledger, an umbrella project of open source blockchain application. Consortium blockchains. Consortium blockchains are permissioned blockchains governed by a group of organizations rather than one entity, as in case of private blockchain. These blockchains therefore enjoy more decentralization than private blockchain, resulting in higher level of security. However, setting up consortium can be a fraught process as it requires cooperation between a number of organizations that present logistical challenges as well as potential antitrust risk. Furthermore, some members of supply chain may not have the needed technology nor the infrastructure to implement blockchain tools, and those who may decide the upfront cost are too steep a price to pay to digitize their data and connect to the other members of supply chain. Last, hybrid blockchain. Hybrid blockchains are the blockchains that are controlled by single organizations but with a level of oversight performed by the public blockchain, which is required to perform certain transaction validation. An example of hybrid blockchain is IBM Food Trust, which was developed to improve efficiency throughout the whole food supply chain. I hope that each and every aspect of this presentation will be clear to all of you. Please do like and share this video. Thank you.